Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's begin with opening the camera app, and I hope that you can see this special type of the grid line called golden line, I believe, or golden spiral. I've applied it before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the actual visual evidence that the reset option will work. So since we are in the camera, we can tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom, and as you can see, we've got the option restore default. So let's tap on it again, and actually nothing happened. As you can see, we are still on the settings, so we have to go back to the camera, and as you can see, we cannot see the golden spiral, which means that we just successfully reset all camera customization and preferences. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera in your OPPO Find X5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.